I've been Fab and I'm here with a review of Indique hair. Actually clip-ins. I'm actually trying to quarantine and chill and quarantine and not go crazy doing my own hair. So I wanted to try something new, so I got sent two bundles of their 22-inch clip-ins. I'm just so excited to try it because, again, during this time, what can you do? Well, what kind of hairstyle you do? You can do ponytails, you can do buns, you can do, there's things like wigs, there's extensions and stuff. But if you're good at braiding, and I'm really not, you could just pop on some clip-ins and call it a day. I decided to try it. So they come in a nice bag, and I like this bag because it's actually reusable. So I love companies who actually really take the time to, and they got their so super cute, and it's so nice, like it's like a velvety touch, so it's really cute that you can use for anything and you always have them in your mind. So I love thoughtful things like this that brands do. I think it's so smart. Went ahead, I co-washed the hair before and I put it back, so it's not going to be in its original state, but I have some clip-ins that I have that I can show you that you'll see the wave. But I went ahead and I just put the silicone mix on the hair. I just let that sit for a little bit and then I washed it. And then doing all those things like co-washing the hair and all that stuff, it actually gives the hair, like I wanted to test it just to see how it would be, and all of the tests, like doing the wash, as I said, it did a good pass. It actually straightened bone straight, and I never get hair that straightens bone straight. It just, for me, the vendors that I choose, maybe I'm choosing the wrong ones and I don't want to say them, but it's just like when I tried this one, when it straightened, it was one single pass. And the state, I got a 22-inch, but I got it wavy. So it was a lot of waves in it. When I washed it out, you see the waves clearly, and you see the waves clearly when you dry it. So you're just like, oh my God, I hope that it can actually straighten really straight. It actually really does straighten really straight. 4 sets of 4 clip-ins for the back of the hair, 4 sets of that. So each bundle, well, just imagine you have one, because one is enough for your hair. I feel like if you're trying to do a ponytail or something like that, or some cute style, one can be enough. The hair is on it's thin, it's on the thin side, which I like. I find a lot of hair is bulky, and that's the reason why I'm not able to straighten it bone straight like I was able to straighten this one. Let's take it out. It comes with 4 sets of 4 clip-ins, 3 sets of 4 sets of 3 clip-ins as well. So 3, so it was 4, 3. So it's 4 of those each in that bundle. And then 2 sets of 2 like little clip-ins that you have. I received 2 sets of 2 clip-ins in here. So all in total, it was about 10 clip-ins that you get for your whole entire head. So the 2 sets of clip-ins, so the clip-ins are like 2 sets of 2 clip-ins. This is what you have here. And then this is how the texture looks. So, and then the 3 set, so this is a 3 one with 3 clip-ins, pretty nicely spaced apart. And this is how it looks wavy. And the 4 set of clip-ins. Okay, just want to show you how the clip-ins look. They're really nicely constructed. That's what I'm trying to show you. It's really nicely constructed, not too fussed, so it's really easy to pop in and pop out. Really easy. And this is the 4 set, and this is how the waves this is how the waves look. Really nice and wavy. It's a perfect wave that I need. I didn't need too much because my hair is straightened, is done like a wavy state. It's not really curly or loosely curly. This is perfect. So this is how all the hair looks like in one bundle, so you can see how dense it is. But overall, I love when I did it. I loved the texture. I loved every single, and especially for my type of hair, I do have thick hair. I do have a 4C, 4B texture, so it's really thick and coarse and stuff. So, but I want to show you how all of it looks in one, so you can tell you just need one, but I wanted a fuller look. Okay. Really nice. It's in clip-in, so it's even better. So it looks really nice. But if you want to do a fuller look, 2 is recommended, but 1 is completely fine. So I'm really excited to like do this whole journey, take care of my hair, and really understand how to do my own hair, because that's really what it comes down to, and that's why proper care is really necessary and important, especially protective styling your hair. This is one method that you can use if you don't want to do like gel and put all that stuff in your hair. You just pop on some clip-ins and you call it a day. You can get different textures. They have different textures. You can just do your natural curly hair if you don't feel like straightening your hair and stuff like that. But my hair was already straightened, so I just wanted to stick with that route. And then I can't wait to try all their other bundles. They actually have like a wavy of like a curly one that I really liked. And thank you so much, Indique Hair, and thank you so much.